Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy Supreme Nige here, back at it with a brand new video. Today we got a Supreme unboxing. Today we got week 2 and week 3 packages to unbox for you guys today. We got a few personals along with a couple resale items. Maybe it's only one resale items, but mostly these are probably gonna be personals because I did cop these on like brick weeks, but unfortunately I wasn't able to get anything for the resale during those weeks. But if you guys were interested to check out my live cops, I will list them in the description below and I'll leave a link right here or there. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna get right on into the unboxing. So right here we have just a simple padded envelope with the, I know what this is. This is just gonna be the keychain. I did get the Futura logo keychain. Didn't get it on initial drop. I didn't get the color I wanted because I wanted to get this color here. This one is the bright purple. And then it did come with 2 box logo stickers with the register to vote in the back there. I don't know if you can see that. Nothing too special about that. This one is going to be the hat cart I was able to get. I forgot which week it was. I did have to open this before because I did sell the military camp cap in olive. I did sell it for like $100 already. I didn't have to hold it or anything. It was just pretty good. I made about probably double my money right there with that purchase. But anyways, guys, we have a couple more register to vote stickers here. One little one right there, and a box logo. The first hat coming out of here is going to be the Logan pattern 6-panel in black. I did pick this one up in a 3 hat cart. I do think that was a pretty good purchase myself, but I'm going to be holding on to that for the resale. And then another beanie that I might be holding on to, or I don't know, I might be keeping this because I do like this kind of panel seamed beanie. This one's the black. I'll hold on to this to see how it goes in the future. Right here, this one's more of my more recent purchases. I believe this one's going to be the small box textured small box sweater with the New Era S logo beanie. So right off the top here is the New Era S logo beanie in the white colorway. I do believe this one is pretty fire. Has a nice woven box logo in right here with the embroidered New Era right there. I do like the high quality, the nice detail they did to this S logo this season. I do like it. And then they did put a pretty good size box logo on the back here, as you guys can see. But that one I'm going to be holding for the resale for sure. Wow, my 2 box logos were all crunkled and messed up. Thanks, Supreme. Wow, putting in a bad spot. No, I probably just got moved around and shipping, but whatever. But just 2 more box logos with this order. And then here we have the personal item that I did get from my size. This is the textured small box sweater here. I will take this out of the bag in just a sec and throw it on the body for you guys. But I want to unbox this real quick. And then this one is going to be the S logo sweatpants in extra large black. Here we go. Here is the S logo sweatpants. I like the nice detail in the S logo here. It is literally every single one of those is a box logo embroidered in there. I will probably be keeping these for the personal. Let me just un-DS this real quick. Ooh, these are soft. These are really nice and soft. But here we go, undead stocked. Nice high quality on this here. So it looks like the sweatpants are made in Canada as well, as you can see right there. Made in Canada. Okay, so it does have a drawstring to tighten it in case I need to, because this thing does look like it's pretty baggy. And then it has the Supreme tag here on the back, right there. Overall, I do like this piece a lot. But real quick, I'm gonna throw on the small box sweater real quick and show you guys that. All right, well, we got it on here now. Where's the textured side? Oh, okay, so it's on this side here. Oh wait, let me back up so you guys can see maybe. I don't know if you guys can see, but this has the Supreme spelled out or down in the back here. Now I can be pulling up to my Christmas parties, flexing, and I'm looking good as hell. Overall, I do like this. It does fit me pretty well. The quality is definitely there on this piece. It's very soft and cozy. Definitely going to be a good piece to hold if you guys were able to catch a W on these. I can definitely see this piece rising in price once it gets more closer to like the winter months. So anyways, that looks like it's going to be it for this unboxing. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe to the channel. That would be much appreciated. I will definitely be dropping more Supreme content like this, so definitely stay tuned for that. And as always guys, peace.